In this lecture, we focus on Carservice, which acts as the central mediator in Android Automotive. This topic is very frequently tested in interviews because it explains how control and safety are enforced across the platform. Many candidates understand APIs but miss the role of Carservice behind the scenes. Carservice is the component that connects framework logic with vehicle behavior in a controlled manner. Carservice runs as a privileged system service inside the Android framework. It is not an app, and it is not part of the HAL layer. Its primary responsibility is to abstract vehicle behavior and expose it through safe, high-level APIs. Carservice communicates with the vehicle HAL using IPC mechanisms, typically AIDL. This positioning allows Carservice to translate raw vehicle data into meaningful framework-level concepts. One of the most important roles of Carservice is permission enforcement. Apps never access vehicle data directly. Every request flows through Carservice, where permissions, user state, and driving state are evaluated. This ensures that only approved apps can access sensitive data such as speed, location, or HVAC controls. A key interview insight is this: even system apps are subject to Carservice checks. Carservice also manages vehicle state abstraction. Concepts such as ignition state, driving state, user switching, and power transitions are normalized inside Carservice. The underlying vehicle implementation may vary across OEMs. Carservice hides these differences and exposes consistent behavior to the framework and apps. This abstraction is essential for portability and long-term maintainability across vehicle programs. Let us close with interview-focused takeaways. Carservice is the gatekeeper between Android and the car. It enforces permissions, applies policy, and abstracts vehicle behavior. Apps never bypass Carservice and never talk directly to vehicle HAL. A strong interview summary sounds like this: vehicle HAL provides data. Carservice enforces rules. Apps consume safe APIs. This mental model helps avoid common interview mistakes.